spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here at Puerto Galera and nakapag-check-in na kami and nag-freshen up, and I'm with Moogie's family. So yeah, we're going to have our lunch. What time is it? Today is April 20. It's 2:40 p.m. and we're going to have our lunch at somewhere. I'm with Miggy and Tita. So we're done with go-kart. Next one is ATV. We're gonna try the ATV. Going to the beach. So hey guys, update. Nag-swimming lang kami sa pool. And then, nag-freshen up. Right now, it's already mag-10 na. We're going to eat our dinner. And we're going to have our breakfast. Yeah. Ifta pa po sa akin, ate. So, ito yung breakfast. Pipili ka. Ano side din? Ifta. Dalawa. Here's our breakfast. Ano mas gusto ko yan? Pumili pa, no? Thank you po. This morning. siya po ng hook. Good morning, everyone. So, ito yung balcony. Paglabas ng balcony, ito na yung pool. So first, taste natin yung cookie. Yung cookie nila. It's a little bit dry for me. Dry yung gitna. But, masarap na. Kasi hindi masyadong nakalo yung sweet na yun. It's so hard to do sa straw. It's 9:17 and we're going to go for our land tour. And for our outfit of the day, we're wearing skirt and tatlong top. Tatlong ba ito? Sorry. So for our first stop, it's a church. Forgot to vlog, guys, and our next stop would be Mango what? So we're here at Mango. Hey guys, we're here na sa Mango. Show the guys, so meron daw ganito na ibon. Ibon yun, di ba?
Ano yan? Explain.
Ay, search lang sa Wikipedia. Again. So, ito yung kanina namin pinuntahan. Actually, parang na-video ko siya outside. Pero, ayan. Hindi ko na makita yung phone ko. Sobrang ano. So, guys, ayan. Ito daw mangrove dito. Puro daw siya bats. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Makikita ata. So time check, it's 12:54 and we're going out again to eat our lunch.
If I'm being honest, I didn't mean to fall in love with you.
So dito kami magla-lunch. Sir, let's go inside. Sarap, sobrang init talaga, guys. Timaw. lettuce. Yan ang drink mo. Ha? Oreo. Oreo frap. What did you get? What's your drink?
Choco banana peanut.
Parang ano pa ni reaction? Ano masarap? Can you try?
Yun yung reaction.
Yung kanina, genuine eh. Ngayon hindi na eh. Is it yummy? Okay, I'm gonna try it. Like, first hand reaction.
Red face. Hindi ka niya trip ko yung
Hindi ko gusto.
Tulog, ginigay niya.
Hey guys, so it's already 5:10 and we're going to the beach. We're going to ride the jet ski. Jet ski. It's already 7:30 and hindi ako nakapag-swimming today kasi bigla ako nagkaroon ng period. So ayoko mag-swimming. Nag-jet ski lang kami kanina and hindi ko alam kung may clips akong nalalagay. Right now, nandito lang sa room. And sila Miggy tsaka sila Tita. Nag-swim sila. So I'll show you guys. Si Miggy, Mau, Tita, Tito. So it's dinner time. It's 9:40 p.m. and we're going to have our dinner. Having bangus for breakfast. He's having casino, Tito's having casino, and Kuya Maui and Tito's having bangus. Good morning! Today is our day 3 and today din yung uwi namin. It's 8:10 na pala guys. And ito yung beach. So, gagawin muna natin. Kukuha muna tayo ng kape kasi hindi pa tayo nakakapag-sip. So, yeah. So, ganito ang atake niya sa umaga, guys. So pretty! Wala, sarado yung coffee shop na gusto ko i-try. Eh, dalawang coffee shop lang yung nakita ko dito. Yung una natin kinangay kahapon and then yung nadaanan namin yung first night. Tapos di ko pa siya na-try. Gusto ko sana i-try kaso wala. Hindi natin siya matatry. Maybe next time. Next time! We're back here. Whew! Ice Spanish latte.
Ice matcha.
Spanish pala. think I want to try the beach ride. So let's go. Let's go beach. So we're done swimming sa beach. Pero mag-swimming muna kami dito sa pool. It's 11:11 and we're going to the port. We're going home.
Ocean goes in the blink of an eye.
It's already 2:21 p.m. and we are here sa port ng Puerto Galera going to Batangas Port. Boarding namin is 3 p.m. So, now we're going home.